back with a video showing a bike, and you can see here, this is a Basso bike. Basso is also an Italian brand, and I love those Italian brands, right? You must have heard about Colnago, Wilier, Pinarello, and Basso is also one of them. And the special thing about this brand is it's built all in-house in Italy, all of their bikes, and it's still owned by the Basso family. So for sure, you're gonna get a very high quality bike. This one is the Diamante SV. I think it's the Aurora color. Very beautiful. Love this paint job. I took it out of the box and it felt really light. So this is a very versatile, fast bike, road bike that you for sure must be very fast on the hills, on the flats. Pretty aero geometry. And it's pre-built. You still need a finish, and it's what we're gonna do today. Finish building this bike. It still needs to do bleeding, putting the handlebars, and then for sure we're gonna test ride it and have some fun. Super cool group set, Shimano Ultegra Di2, also super nice, comes with carbon Campagnolo 45 wheels. This bike's gonna be super fast, so can't wait to see this bike on the road. So let's finish up this bike and have it ready. There you go. The Basso Diamante SV is ready to roll. And guys, this is pure Italian craftsmanship with the Basso frame, Campagnolo wheel set, Victoria Corsa tires. The only thing that is not Italian here is the Shimano Ultegra. And for those that are Campagnolo fans are like screaming, how do you put a Shimano on a Basso frame? It is a great group set. And of course you can order with a Campagnolo, and for sure it's gonna be, looks really nice. So pure Italian bike here, and it's quality all over around when assembling it, building it, from their bar tape to the finish of the frame. Just beautiful, beautiful bike. A few things called my attention, and it's the headset stem. It's pretty bulky and not very used to seeing that, but actually I like it, and I'm sure it will handle very well. It's going to be a very responsive, very stiff bike overall, and this headset stem that is pretty stiff. We'll probably feel it on the road. Can't wait to ride it and test it. And today I'm super open to try new things, and each brand is nice that each brand has their own concept behind their designs, their bikes, and we have to be more open, I think. Sometimes we're very laser focused on one bike. I remember when I used to ride a Cannondale Super 6, and for me that was the only bike that was a very good bike until when I wanted to replace for a new one, I couldn't find for a new size. I ended up selling my bike, was without a bike, and was kind of forced to buy and try the Specialized Tarmac that at the end I loved even more than the Cannondale Super 6, rode it for 6-7 years, and now I've been trying new bikes for sure with the shop, and I see that every manufacturer has different concepts, and it's just great, and you might be surprised by trying new bikes and fall in love with them. And I'm sure the Basso bike is a very good quality and must ride very, very nice. Another thing is the seat tube. It has their own design, and people usually scared with the seat tube that end up slipping. And this looks like a very sturdy system. When installing it, I saw that it was a very sturdy system. Of course, we need to try it, and over time you'll find it out, but I'm sure this won't give you a problem. And it's very well hidden here. Very nice seat tube, and the rest of the bike is just beautiful. Can't complain about the paint job. I love this paint job, like purple, green, and black. And yeah, I'm really curious to try out these Victoria Corsa tires. A lot of my clients ride them. I've never ridden on these tires. What I've heard is this tire is super, super fast, so I can't wait to ride this, and it's all ready to go. So it's fun building it, but it's much more fun riding it. So that's what we're gonna do. Taking for a ride. Been riding for a couple miles now, and of course it's hard to compare in one ride this bike with others, but riding many different bikes, I can definitely tell when a bike is quality, well built. There was research put into building the frame. It's not some nice shapes and a nice color paint job. It is really a bike that was thought through and upgraded along the time, and really good craftsmanship and engineering. So for sure this bike really rolls really nice, feels really good on the flats here, riding really fast. These wheels, guys, is amazing. It rolls really nice, and to be honest, you're gonna feel great in a bike that you want to ride. And I get people in the shop, when they look to one bike, they say, yeah, this is a really nice, super cool bike. Then I show them another bike and it's like, yeah, but I like the other one. And then I have another person come in, but the opposite. The first guy thought that the bike was super cool, and then this other guy comes in, yeah, and I showed the other one that the other guy didn't like much. The other person says, yeah, this is a nice bike. So when you get to a mid to high end bike, if it's a manufacturer that has been for quite a few decades, has good customer service, has experience, has made a lot of frames over the decades, it's gonna be a great bike, guys. It's gonna be a great bike, and for sure Basso is an awesome bike. Look at this cockpit. Check out this bar stem. It's super stiff, responds really nice. Comes with the Garmin or the bike computer mount, so really slick, fits really well. Loving with a Shimano Di2. I love their grip here. Great bar tape. It's a little wider than I'm used to. This is a 41 centimeter wide bar. I'm used to riding a 39, but it feels great. It feels really, really nice. Before the ride, I didn't check much of the geometry. I put my fit on, so I feel well fitted on the bike, and control wise it responds really well. Definitely not a super snappy bike. Maybe the wheelbase or the angle of the fork is a little bit forward, but it gives a lot of control, a lot of comfort. But with the stiffness of this bike, it responds really, really well. So I did a little sprint over there, and it responds pretty well. You get to high speeds pretty quickly. It's a little windy today, but still, I feel great. I feel great riding on this bike. I'll most likely take this weekend, if I have the opportunity, to do a longer ride. Also hit some hills and see how it responds. Now I think you guys noticed that I'm a SRAM fan lately. I used to be Shimano. Now I've been preferring to ride SRAM, but I'm very impressed with this 12-speed Di2 Ultegra. I love their grip, how it handles, and it's incredible how fast it shifts, how precise and fast, and how you can shift even under load. Really impressed. And one thing beside the frame that I love and this color are the wheels. Yeah, the Campagnolo wheels, these things roll. But that's it for today, guys. One more bike for you guys to check out. It's always great to see different bikes. First time actually seeing one and riding one. I'm impressed, very well impressed. Can't wait to ride some more and maybe do a more in-depth review of this bike. But for now, this is it, and I'll see you, as always, on the next ride experience. Ciao.